Have you ever wondered how to make faceless YouTube videos like the professionals? Today, you're going to learn how. Now, pay attention as I'll be showing you 4 methods of creating a talking avatar, like these ones, so let's go! Come over to Leonardo AI and paste this prompt from the description. Make sure your aspect ratio is 16:9, then hit generate. This is what it came up with. Let's generate some more. Once you got one you like, download it. These first 2 methods I'm going to teach you are absolutely free, so watch closely. Now that we have our avatar, we are going to need to go to YouTube and search for Talking Face Mask Green Screen and find this video. Now we are going to want to download the video. To do that, go to Google and type YouTube to MP4 and pick one. Then paste the video's URL and click Convert, then click Download. We will then have something like this. Now go to CapCut on the web and create a new project, then choose 16:9. We then need to upload our media. Drag it to the timeline, then go to Smart Tools and click Remove Background and choose Auto Remove, then let it do its thing. Now, you'll need to adjust the mask to fit our character's face. I like to change the brightness down to make the mask darker, but the preference is yours. After that, we should have something like this. Not bad. For the next method, you're going to want to rinse and repeat this whole process. Only this time when you're on YouTube, search for Talking Mouth Green Screen and choose this video. Edit it the same way in CapCut, and after you finish editing it, you should have something like this. Not too bad. Now we are on to the paid methods. Come over to DID and start your free trial, then sign up. After that, click Create Video. Then upload your avatar and upload his voiceover. Now, click Generate Video and let it do its thing. This is the result. Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock success. As you can see, the video is covered in watermarks. Okay, now on to the last method. Go over to the website talkingheads.com and log in using Google. After you log in, upload your avatar. Also, upload your voiceover. Choose Default Avatar and click Generate Talking Head. Once it's downloading, it should look something like this. Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock success. To remove the watermark, you need the paid version. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit that subscribe button. Leave your questions down in the comments below. And of course, until next time, have a great day.